Elizabeth Key?
This is where we catch the ferry if you want to go to Rottnest.
Ah, Rottnest Island, okay.
Which is around about a 45-minute boat ride.
Wow.
And this area is called Elizabeth Key. It's only been newly built probably over the last 2 years. And it's the famous...
The Bell Tower.
The Bell Tower.
The well-known Bell Tower, okay.
Yes.
One of the tourist destinations in Perth, Australia, is the Bell Tower, right?
The Bell Tower.
The Bell Tower.
Yeah. And we're about to go on top of the Bell Tower, which I've never been in before. We're going in. We're hoping on top of it.
Is it free? Honey, is it free?
Not sure.
Oh wow, it's a key. Honey, it's a key. Is it free?
No, you'd have to pay, I think. Here we are at the Bell Tower, which is in Perth, WA, and this is our first time up there. It's 143 steps to reach the 6th floor, which is the top of the Bell Tower, where we're going to get a fantastic view of Elizabeth Key, which is a tourist attraction.
Mezzanine level.
So it was built in the year 2000. Our premier was at that time Richard Court, and it was his idea to build this as an icon of Perth, Western Australia.
One of the tourist spots in Perth.
Yes.
It's the Bell Tower.
It's surrounded by the Swan River also, the Swan River, which is a famous Swan River. The bell we can see here, obviously, is the oldest bell in Australia.
Okay. Wow.
And that would come from England.
So this is made in England?
Made in England, yes.
Wow. Can I touch it? OMG.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Hi guys, so we just finished the 143 steps. And there you go. Honey, the bell is ringing. So yan guys. Narinig ko yung bell, nag-ring siya. Okay, so itong Bell Tower is one of the tourist spot destination here in Perth, Australia. So look at that. Napakaganda ng view guys. Look at that.
Across the other side of the river, you've got the Swan River, you've got South Perth.
South Perth, okay.
On the other side. You can catch a ferry from here to there, which takes about probably no more than 10 minutes.
Wow! So, yun guys, napakaganda ng Perth, grabe. So much things to see, beautiful things here in Perth. So guys, nakababa na kami. Finally, 140 steps din yun. So, pababa. So, ito yung tinatawag na Esplanade o yung Elizabeth Key. So, dito sa location na to is nakatayo yung Bell Tower, one of the tourist destination here in Perth. So, Dito siya makikita sa CBD, yung tinatawag nila na Central Business District. At ito yung pinaka-business center ng Perth. So, marami siyang building, maraming parks, and then may mga condominiums, and then shops, coffee shops, and all. Nandito na lahat. So, ang sarap mag-chillax, napakalinis ng environment, at napakaganda talaga guys. At yung time na yan, sobrang lamig. Siguro mga around 12 degrees. So guys, I hope you like our virtual tour today, and I'll see you on my next vlog. Marami pa tayo mga virtual tour na gagawin. And I hope na-enjoy nyo po yung ating mga tours. So guys, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up, like, and follow for more. Bye!